What's up, everybody? My name is Will Orrock.
And my name is Connie, and we are...
We Evolve Dance and Fitness. All right, so today we've got a really cool style of dance for you guys, is the bachata. So we're gonna show you the 3 basic bachata steps that you need to know to get out on the dance floor. So before we get into the basic steps, you need to know a little bit about the music and how it works. So the bachata is, like most music, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, in the bachata, you mark all 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, then you change to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll hear that in the music a little bit later in this video.
So, un recordatorio es que la música bachata tiene 8 tiempos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y eso significa que cuando hacemos los pasos, por ejemplo, lateral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, terminamos la frase, yendo y viniendo en nuestra coreografía.
So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to face your partner right here, and we're going to do the lateral step. Now what happens is the leader will go to his or her left and the follow will go to his or her right. So here we go, and we go. 1, 2, 3, tap. Then we go back. 1, 2, 3, tap. Again, 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, but the reason why we're doing a tap is because you step with that same leg to go back in the direction you came from. One more time, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. So when we face out to you guys, it's gonna look like this. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, and if we face away from you, it looks like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap.
So when we say tap in the count 4, it means that we are putting just half of our foot down. Cuando Will dice que vamos a hacer tap, significa que vamos a poner la mitad del pie porque va a dar más movimiento a nuestra cadera.
Exactly. Okay, so let's get into the second step. Now the second step is going to be forward and back. We will, as the lead, we'll start with our left leg and the follow will go back with the right leg. And we go 1, 2, 3, tap, and right, 2, 3, tap, left forward, 2, 3, tap, right back, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay? So when we do it facing you, it will look like this. And left, 1, 2, 3, tap, and right foot back, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and right foot back, tap. Now when we face this other way, it's gonna look like this. Left foot forward, here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap, and back, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. The same exact thing applies to the tap. Doesn't matter if you're going lateral or forward and back.
Ok, no importa cómo hacemos el tap, lo más importante es que siempre lo mantenemos yendo hacia adelante, hacia atrás o hacia los lados.
Exactly. Lo que ella dijo. So the next part is, and the last step is a basic spin. And this is going to be a lateral basic spin. So what happens is you have to let her know how and when the spin is coming. So we are going to do a basic first. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. When I do the tap, the hand goes up. I like to do palm to palm because 1, it lets the follow know that a spin is coming, and 2, it's very easy to control this way. Now, what Connie here is doing is she's putting her arm in front because this will also help her with balance, and also it will protect her from running into anybody, and it will help her to spin in a straight line. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap. Then we go back. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. Now I'm going to do it to the other side so you can see that you can do it both ways. That's kind of the neat thing about bachata. As opposed to salsa or any other type of dance, usually it's when it's coming forward to the partner or you're going towards the partner, but here you can do it either way. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, tap. 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 And 1, 2, 3, tap. Now the interesting thing is, not only can she turn, but I can turn as well. And what I like to do on this turn is I like to put the hand behind my back instead of going over my head like this. You can do that, not a problem. But I'm gonna show you kind of a cool little behind the back without looking trick kind of thing. So here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, and I go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me break this down for you really quickly. So this is what I do. As I step, I continue, I change on the second step, change on the third step, and close, or tap in this case. So watch how I do this very closely, and I go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can do it towards the other side, toward you guys, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Para nosotras, las que estamos siguiendo al líder, solamente mantenemos el paso básico lateral. Y más importante aún también es mantener el nivel de tus manos consistente. Porque si cambiamos el nivel, él no va a poder alcanzar las manos si está girado. Podemos crear un accidente, so no queremos eso.
Exactly. Okay, now let's see those 3 steps with music.
Ahora veamos los 3 pasos con música.
All right, everybody, that's our bachata with your 3 very first basics so you can go out and dance on the floor. I'd like to thank you guys for coming to the channel today, and if you found some value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed or hit that notification bell yet, go ahead, it's right down here next to my leg. And thank you again for checking out the description, because down there you'll see a participation link, and in that link you can help this channel grow. So go check it out. And last but not least, you will see dance products that will help you dance better in any situation you're at. So go ahead and check out those dance descriptions.
Thank you guys. See you in the next video.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.